Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas. My coach, more cooked hot pods better to me than more fresh cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pods and drinks. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I don't put in heart and mind a problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution to problem. That's my coach and observation. Okay, let's eat breakfast. Fresh.